Hello, and we just crossed Highway US 1 by Tonio's on Summerland Key, right close to the 25-mile marker. But we're gonna go see the Niles Channel fishing bridge ruins. Now you can launch your boat here to the left and park on East Shore Drive. Watch out for the dump truck. We'll go behind him. Dump truck. And we'll go down to the Niles Bridge Channel fishing bridge ruins and look for trolls. See if there's any trolls living under the bridge. We are headed east or north. Okay, this is the Niles Channel fishing bridge. Niles Channel. Oh, where'd the sign go? There it is. Niles Channel fishing bridge. I can remember coming here before it was closed. It was a cool place to be. Do you remember coming here before it was closed? And it was a cool place to be. Driving the bicycles out on the end. I'll have to look up my old video. Well, that's our 4K super view of the Niles Channel fishing bridge ruins from 1943 on the edge of Summerland Key, stopping for a drink of water. Thank you.